All right, this is just going to be a quick review of the CanAm Alpine Flex plow. This here is the 72-inch plow. It's got the plastic wear bar on the bottom. You can see I've added the plow markers here on the side. There's a little tab there. You just screw a hole, or drill a hole, and then those just screw right on. We got the pads adjusted so that we're just off the dirt driveway. Here we have the multi-mount winch in the front. This here will work with the Alpine Flex plow. It just depends on where you put this bar here. There's different slots here that it can go in based on a Commander, Maverick, Defender, and then the Defender with the multi-winch plow, you want it all the way in the front here. Just simply comes down out of the winch, around the bar, and hooks onto the plow. Here is the foot lever. You just push that down and it just disconnects. Here underneath, you can see how it mounts, and it actually works pretty easy. You just drive over it, and then here in the front, I got the little winch remote. I just hook it in, and that way I can kind of use the winch remote and see where it's lining up down here underneath the Defender, and then winch it in. And when you winch it in, it just pulls it right up onto the pegs and then locks in place. It's pretty easy. So I'm gonna go inside on the cab and show you how I got the winch wired up. All right, we're gonna get in the cab here. I just have a simple soft cab, just a hard coat windshield, soft rear and soft doors. Keeps me pretty warm and dry in the winter. And then I've moved my winch over here to the middle of the dash. And the reason I did that is you got the gear selector here. So it's pretty easy to just go forward, reverse, and use the winch all with the same hand, your right hand, and then your left hand just stays on the steering wheel. So from the factory, it's usually over here. You know, I've moved it and I put it over here in the middle. Makes it a lot easier for lifting the winch up and down while you're plowing. Here on the front, it does tilt left or right. Pretty simple, lift it up, lift the handle, and then it's got many degrees of angle that you can turn it left and right in order to plow. Overall, I've had it 2 years, and I think it's a pretty nice little system to make this CanAm Defender ready to plow for the winter. Thanks for watching.